wish to speak.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for giving India the floor. Last but not the least, on Agenda Item 221 EX46 on Syria within UNESCO's mandate. India supports this agenda brought by Germany in UNESCO. India has been monitoring the situation after the departure of President Assad on 8 December 2024. We hope that the new constitution due to be drafted takes into account the interests of all the sections of the Syrian society. In the immediate aftermath of the political change in Syria, India carried out the evacuation of 77 Indian nationals from Syria on 10 to 11 December 2024. Syria has an ancient cultural heritage located at the crossroads of Mesopotamia, Anatolia, and Egypt. Syria has been home to ancient civilizations, part of empires such as the Akkadian, Hittite, Assyrian, Babylonian, Persian, and Roman. India supports UNESCO's efforts to support Syria's education system despite ongoing challenges. India supports the preservation of cultural heritage under the 1954 Convention, First Protocol, the 1970, the 1972, and other relevant UNESCO conventions. On 5th or 6th and 6th of February 2025, two professors from Syria, namely Professor Ahad Kazam, President of Al-Wataniya Private University, and others, participated in the 15th India Arab Universities Presidents Conference held in New Delhi. India features as an influence in Syrian culture historically through the Silk Route and in particular through the adaptation of the Panchatantra into Arabic Qalila wa Dimna. A number of cultural delegations from India have visited Syria and vice versa. A total of 1,000 Syrian students have benefited from the first two phases of the scholarship scheme under Study in India program. I thank you.
Thank you.